So it has an i5 processor, so it's a middle of the grounds as far as the performance you're going to get. You have 8 gigs of RAM, which is good enough for gaming. You have a terabyte of storage, which is plenty of space to put games onto. And then it has a 1650 for the graphics card, which it's not the greatest thing out there, but it's going to be enough for most shooters or racing games or things like that. So depending on what it is you're playing, you're probably going to be fine. There's not really many games that it won't be able to play.
Okay, so what differentiates this one from the other PCs?
So again, it's all going to be based on the performance. This is a good middle ground one. You have some that are going to be really high end, which will be able to pump out higher resolutions or lower resolutions potentially, depending on the computer. So this is going to give you most games in 1080p, which is standard HD. You'll probably be able to play all those games no problem. But if you want to play any games in like 4K, for example, you probably won't be able to.
And what does it have inside? Like, what kind of devices or specs are, you know, the graphics card?
Yeah, so that's what I said earlier. I said it has an i5, 8 gigs of RAM, and a 1650 Super.